Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com. So in this TRW video, we're going to go over our Silhouette Cameo cutter. So as you all know, we do sell the Silhouette Cameos, and we like to give you a little extra with the Silhouette Cameo as well. So on our website, what you're going to get is you're going to get the Silhouette Cameo cutting machine, of course. Then you're going to get the Silhouette Studio software that's included with it. You're going to get your 51 cuttable silhouette designs. You're going to get your power cable, your USB cable. You're going to get a 12-inch cutting mat. You're going to get your cutting blade. You're going to get a $10 gift card to the Silhouette store. You're also going to get your instruction guide. But then what we also include is we include 2 of our Rhinestone TrueType fonts. So our Rhinestone TrueType fonts you'll see here, you'll get our TRW 213 and then also our TRW 237. So these Rhinestone TrueType fonts are actually fonts that you can bring, you're going to install it right into your font library on your computer, and then in the Silhouette Studio or the Silhouette Designer Edition software, you're just going to be able to type that out and then go ahead and cut it on the sticky flock template material. Now the reason why we did the fonts like this is technically off the start, you don't have to have the Designer Edition software because you're not trying to import an SVG file. Because these are actual TrueType fonts, you can just type out the font right there in your Silhouette Studio software as well and go ahead and cut it on the sticky flock template material. So I'm going to open the box up here and just show you what's all included in the Cameo when you receive it in the mail. So once you get it in the mail, this is obviously going to be the box you're going to get. And first thing we have is our cords, and I'm going to pull all these out, and then what we'll do is we'll just show you a close-up of everything so you know exactly what you're getting and what's going to be in each of the boxes when you order it to get going with your business. So here's our Silhouette Cameo here. Let's go ahead and turn that around for you. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in closer here a little bit and just kind of show you all the different items that are going to come in the box that you're going to receive. So here is your Silhouette Cameo cutter. Okay, so it's going to have all of your tape here, and this is just to protect it during shipping and everything. So once we open this up, we can pull off our tape here, and it also has some tape on the back side here that you'll see. So we'll take that from the inside. So when I open this up, you're going to see it's going to have all of your tape in here as well. So you're going to want to pull all of these off before you actually run the machine. This is just to hold everything in place and protect it during the shipping process. So I'm going to take this one off from the back here. Now this one's just to hold the head in place right there so you can see perfectly. So then the different things that we have, obviously you have your adapter, your power cord, and power cord on the Cameo is on the side right here. So you can see your power cord, and then you have your USB printer cable, and then you also have your SD card where you can just import an SD card there so you don't have to technically have it set up to your computer. So we have our power cord there. Now in this bag here, you're going to see we have our cutting blade. And then we also have our printer cord with our USB to plug into the side. We have your $10 download code to the Silhouette online store to get $10 worth of download files. And then of course remember we have over 3,500 downloadable files on our website at the RhinestoneWorld.com. However, with our files you will need the Designer Edition software upgrade, and that way you can import those SVG files. Here's our Silhouette Studio install disk, and you can also, you don't have to install it with the disk, you can go to the Silhouette website and install it right there as well. And then you have your Silhouette Studio instructional video, you have your directions and your user manual, and then last thing we have here is our cutting mat. So those are all of the items that are going to come in the actual box there. So that's everything that we have here. Now I'm going to show you how to load your actual blade here. So as you can see with the blade, we can take it out right here. The blade's going to come through, and it's going to come with this adjustable area. There's also one on your actual Cameo right here. and that's what's going to make it so you can adjust your blade to whatever size. So as you can see with this one right here, we have it's set to 0 when it comes to you. So if we wanted to change that, we have one right here that we can just put it in here, and we're going to go ahead and adjust it. So as we adjust this, we can adjust it to whatever size or different area we want as far as the thickness of the blade, okay? So when I put it down here into this, what I'm going to do is I can just turn it, and you can see now I have it set at 10, okay? So just depending on what you want it set at, when I turn it here, now I have it set at 9. So you can see you can adjust it with the manual one here, but then you also have it right here on the cutter to where you can just turn it and adjust it. So whatever width or whatever distance you want the blade coming out, depending on the material that you're using, is what you're going to, how you're going to use these two different features. So the easiest one is the one right here on the actual cutter, just to adjust it so I can turn it here, and now I have it set to a 7. Okay? And then once you're ready to go, you can just insert the blade there. You're going to turn this blue knob. That's going to go ahead and lock it in. So now my blade's locked in. You want to get rid of any of this foam that's on the side here. So anything that comes with it, with this foam and everything, that's just to protect it during the shipping process. You can release this here, and everything's going to be set up. So now once we're ready to set up here, very simple process. We have our cord here. This is our actual printer cable. And with our printer cable, this side here, you're going to plug in right to the side of the Cameo here. And then this USB port is going to go into your actual computer for the USB port. Of course, the actual power cable, same side right there. Plug your power cable in, and you're ready to go. So you do need to install the Silhouette Studio software. So this is your Silhouette Studio disk again. You're going to install that, and then your actual computer is going to start communicating with the cutter once you have it installed on your computer and everything plugged in. And we'll go over that in another video as well. So basically what we wanted to show you here is all the different features that come with our Silhouette Cameo. Main thing is getting those 2 free TrueType fonts as well. So for example, the Cameo retails at $209.99. On our website, you already save 10%. You get the Cameo for $269.99. But technically, you're also getting $48 in Rhinestone TrueType fonts. So you do the math on that. Now you're down into the $221 range, and with those TrueType fonts that you would have purchased off the website anyway. So we like to do things a little bit different. We like to add some kind of bonus features in with the things that you purchase on our website. So a great value when you're getting started with the Silhouette Cameo. Another great thing you can do, once you're on the website, you'll see that you can add the Designer Edition software upgrade, where if you add it in when you're purchasing the actual Cameo right here on our website, you can get the Designer Edition upgrade for only $37.99. So that normally retails around $49.99 on most websites. You can save an additional $12, get it for $37.99 when you purchase the Cameo on our site. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Check out the website, www.therhinestoneworld.com. We do have everything you need as far as your heat transfer vinyls. We have our sticky flock template material. We have over 3,500 different downloadable files. Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel that you're watching right here. We have over 550 tutorial videos. We also have our TRW Stone Wizard Rhinestone program for Corel Draw. So technically, if you don't want to purchase the Designer Edition software and working with the different things that we're going to work with Corel Draw to be able to cut directly from Corel into the Silhouette Cameo. So that's something on a future video coming up here, so make sure to check that out. But the Designer Edition software is going to allow you to import those SVG files right now in order to get your business going and get started right now. So if you do have any questions about the Silhouette Cameo, about anything else that we carry on our website at therhinestoneworld.com, give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with therhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have a great day.